What's going on YouTube? In this quick tutorial, I just want to show you how you can select all the cells that have the same conditional formatting rules applied. So let's just say we have this date column where we applied conditional formatting, but we don't remember how far down we applied the conditional formatting to. To select the cells that have the same conditional formatting rule, first we want to hover over one of the cells that has the conditional formatting rule that we're trying to look for. Then under the Home tab, we can go to the far right where it says Find and Select under this little magnifying glass right there. Click that, and then we can click Go to Special. Now after clicking Go to Special, we can, at the bottom right corner, you see Data Validation, and we don't want to select so all the cells have data validation. We want to select cells that have the same data validation. So we click Same, then we click OK. And as we can see, the range that's highlighted is the cells that have the same data validation as the cell that we hovered over. So that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.